Hello YouTube, what up? It's your boy Perafa. Welcome to my channel. Here we give you tips and details on nail art. Today we are doing French manicure, simple building gel, step by step. Stay tuned. For more amazing videos, you can click the like and subscribe button down below for updates and don't forget to click the notification button. We start by prepping our natural nails for enhancement. We glue an artificial nail extension onto the natural nails. I always prefer taking out the dead cells around the cuticle area last before enhancing or putting any product on the natural nails or on the extension, because it is going to help me to also remove the excess gum that might have floated around the side wall. After applying the first coat, you can see the nails is not all that covered with the pink gel. So now we are going to do a second coat of the pink gel because we want to give it that perfect apex and that oval look. You can also turn the finger upside down to allow the gel to self-level outwardly. This is also going to help to give it the perfect apex. After shaping our nails with our hand file, we're now moving with our electronic file to file down the bumpy layers on the nail. After filing, we dust out the dust particles and clean the nails with dissolving and cotton. Next, we move in with our detail brush. We are using white polish to draw out some detail lines on our pink gel. We apply like 2 coats of the white polish so we make it perfect and smooth. Thanks for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please hit the like and subscribe button for more amazing videos on tips and details of nail art. Stay tuned as we bring you new videos every week. Thank you. Bye bye.